Welcome to the Fusion Mastery course. In this lesson, we'll be going over how to open, close, and save a file. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to upload a file to a cloud project, save a file to a project, and close a file. The first task we need to understand inside Fusion 360 is how to open, close, and save files. Before we get started, I do want to make note on some settings that I have changed inside Fusion 360. In the bottom section of what's called your canvas area, display settings have changed slightly. I have effects, I have environment dome and ground plane turned off, my camera is set to perspective with ortho faces, and under our grid settings, I have the layout grid turned off. Everything else is as is with a default install of Fusion 360. So as we're moving forward, let's take a look at how to open, close, and save files. In this video, we're going to talk about two separate methods. Now with this course, we want to first open up the data panel in the top left-hand corner by left-clicking. At the top, you'll notice your name. You'll notice a few projects, recent data, demo, and your name with first project after it. Below that, we have some samples, basic training, CAM, design, and simulation samples. And the very last option is called Workshop and Events. If you double click on this and then navigate to the Fusion Mastery course, we have two separate files in here for you to use. Lesson 3-02, we have a file called Open, Close, Save. Now if you double left click on this file, it'll open inside of Fusion 360. This will be a read-only file, and you'll need to save it as. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can upload files as well. So make sure that you navigate to your first project, double-click on it, and select the Upload button. You want to click Select Files, and navigate to the Fusion Mastery Lesson 3 Dataset folder. We want to click on Open, Close, Save, and then open this file. Now we haven't uploaded anything yet. I want to make note of a few things here. I do want to note that you can drag and drop files or use the select files option that we did. I also want to note the location. This is going to be important as we move forward because the location might change depending on where files open or where you're converting them. And we can also change the location, but this is exactly where we want to place this file. We're going to select Upload. And you'll notice that as it's uploading, we have a status bar. Now if we close this, we also have a status bar at the bottom left-hand corner, as well as a clock icon and job status located at the top. Now this file has been uploaded, and you'll notice it says Open, Close, Save. We didn't have to do a save as because it's already in the location where we wanted it. Now if we double click on this file, it'll open it inside of what's called our canvas. The file is now located on the screen, and we can pan, zoom, and rotate based on your settings. I also want to note that as we look at this file, we have Open, Close, Save, and the version number located at the top. If we want to close it, we can hit the X here. We can use the File drop-down, and notice that there's no Close option up here. New design, new drawing, related data, and open details on the web. So if you want to close the file, you'll be doing it from this X. We haven't made any changes to the file yet, so it's exactly as we uploaded it and converted it to our Fusion file.